What are you doing?
Hello.
Hey, boy.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck, huh?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Why don't you get out?
Oh.
Why don't you come on down and get out? Please. Okay? You okay?
Okay.
Alright, watch your head. You want to close that drawer?
No.
Good job. What are you doing over here? Huh?
I do.
Yeah? I leave the room for a quick second and I come back and you have taken over. You gotta be careful. Watch your fingers. You see me? You see me through that little hole up there? Okay. I love you. Crazy little dude.